Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. Today we will discuss the data required for composite system reliability. Composite system reliability of assessing the ability of the generation and transmission system to supply adequate and suitable electrical energy to major system load points. जो composite system reliability है वो असेसिंग करती है द एबिलिटी जनरेशन और ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम की टू सप्लाई एडुकेट एंड सुटेबल इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू मेजर सिस्टम लोड पॉइंट. Why it is required? Need to consider internal transmission limitation in generation capacity reliability evaluation. Second is the optimized relative investment in generation and transmission system. Increased trends in resource sharing, need for better representation of generation effect in transmission system reliability analysis, and last is the objective of this is the dispatch generation, battery storage, post generation, etc. It is mainly two methods we use: deterministic and stochastic. Deterministic, the main principle is to maintain adequate service under most likely outage, but to accept some degradation to performance under low probability outage involving multiple generation and transmission facility. The data required for both the system, deterministic or stochastic, both the system and the actual component level. The component data include known parameters such as line impedance, susceptance, current carrying capacity, generation unit parameter, other similar factors normally utilized in conventional load flow studies. तो डिटर्मिनिस्टिक अप्रोच है होती है उसके अंदर दो तरह का डेटा यूज करते हैं हम लोग, सिस्टम डेटा और कंपोनेंट डेटा. और कंपोनेंट डेटा के अंदर क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है, कौन कौन से पैरामीटर, इम्पीडेंस, सस्पेंटेंस, करंट कैरिंग कैपेसिटी, जनरेशन यूनिट पैरामीटर, अदर सिमिलर फैक्टर जो कि लोड फ्लो स्टडी से वी कैन easily calculate. This is not normally difficult to determine as this data is used in the range of studies. The data is extremely important in a composite reliability study. The computer model must behave in the same way as the actual system or the result are not appropriate. This is an important aspect in composite system reliability evaluation and is a problem that has not been properly recognized up to this time. So we use the second approach, stochastic. The stochastic data can again be divided into two parts, component and system data. The component requirement pertain to the failure and repair parameter of the individual element within the system. जो कंपोनेंट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या क्या होती है, pertain to the failure और रिपेयर पैरामीटर होते हैं इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट विद इन द सिस्टम. दिस डेटा इज जनरली अवेलेबल. There is also need to consider to include system event which involve two or more components. This type of data is system specific, will usually have to be inserted as a record and third level of data input in overall composite system reliability analysis. System data include relevant multiple failure resulting from common transmission line configuration or station including effect. This is regarding the both the approaches which we use for the composite system reliability analysis. Thank you.